Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Amarachi and I am a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 good ways you can earn passive income in 2022. So if you really want to learn how you can make side money which can in turn generate wealth to you, please keep on watching. Now, before we get into today's video, please, I would like to ask that you subscribe to my channel. Okay, it should be here or here. It's a red tab with the word subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. It is free, and you can also tap the bell beside the subscribe button and select all so you're notified whenever I post a new video. In today's world, it is essential to have multiple streams of income, and you don't want to be lacking because anything can happen to your mainstream of income. What do you do when that mainstream of income is cut off? How do you pick yourself up? How do you make extra funds? Okay, these 10 ways, I'm sure you would look for one that would definitely be beneficial to you. So first thing, or the first way rather, I would say the first way you can make passive income is to sell NFTs. Now look, I'm not a crypto head or tech babe, but all I know is that NFTs are I don't know, I think they are just items that you can list and sell. You can sell either artwork, at least that's what I've been seeing on OpenSea. A lot of people are selling, weird artwork, some artwork that look like Lego characters. Some people are just making designs and selling on there. Some people sell their photographs on there, and they are earning cryptocurrency, and we know cryptocurrency is here to stay. All right, so one thing you'd want to do is go and research how to create NFTs and list your own NFTs, and if it is something that seems valuable, you definitely get people who are going to purchase your NFT. So that is one way you can make passive income. The second way you can make money is to sell digital products. When I say digital products, I mean ebooks or courses online. So if you're someone who is knowledgeable about a particular skill, why not write a book? If you feel you are creative, why not maybe write a fiction novel, or even write non-fiction. You can give us something excerpted from your life and make it a book and promote it. There are a lot of people who are selling books at the moment. It's just a way to earn passive income. It is always there. Anybody who wants it can click and buy. You can list your books on Amazon. You can list them on Okada Books in Nigeria. You can sell it on, I think, seller.com as well. So you can write a book. People always want to learn from other people's experiences, so you can definitely write something on your own life, or write, prepare a course teaching people certain things. It could be like a step-by-step process to achieving a particular goal. All right, so create something, create. You're God's we are all made from God, and God is a creator. So you are a creator because you are made from his own image. So create something, put it on the internet, promote it, and sell. That is the second way you can make passive income. Now, the third way you can make passive income is to record audio books. So are you someone who has an outstanding voice? Are you somebody who, whenever you speak, people are always like, wow, you understand? If you are that person, look for jobs that require you to record audiobooks. They have, I think, vacancies out there. It may not be something that is too common in the Nigerian sphere, but I believe that if you have an outstanding voice, you can do a couple of samples and register on sites like Upwork and tell them this is what you do. Okay, write it on your profile that you're a voiceover artist, that you can read out books, to be sold. Because I mean, we have Audible now. Not everybody has the chance to buy a book and start reading. Some people just want to hear someone else read out the book to them. So if you have an outstanding voice, this is one way you can make passive income. And why I like this particular method is, you're just reading out a book that is already written, and once you're done, you get paid. So if you have an outstanding voice, check out this particular one and try to make that extra coin. Now, the fourth way you can make passive income is to rent out unused space. So are you living in a 2-bedroom flat and you're just using just one room out of that space? You can always rent out the extra space. All right, we have Airbnb and other websites where you can list out these spaces that you're not really using. There are people who come into town and they just need to stay for a night or 2 nights. So yeah, you can rent out your unused space. A lot of people are into that business right now. Every time you would go on like the internet, you see somebody looking for maybe a room to just spend the night, or they want to host a party or something. So yeah, if you have unused space, rent it out, sublet it, and make that extra coin. The fifth way you can make passive income is by selling designs online. And this is really nice because you're doing it at your own pace. So there are people who probably have books that they've written, and there are some people who maybe have movies and they need somebody to help them design their movie poster. They need someone to help them design their book cover. There are people who want people to design flyers for them, and so on and so forth. This is a good way to show your skills. So if you're somebody who is good in design, all right, you can design with AutoCAD. I don't know if they still use AutoCAD, but please, I don't have knowledge of all these things. If you're good with Photoshop, and you can design movie posters, you can design book covers, and so on and so forth, things like that. Okay, go ahead and advertise. Go ahead and let people know that you do these things. You can do it on the side. I beg your pardon. You can learn how to design, and then put the news out there that you do this, and it could be the way you can earn your own passive income. The sixth way you can make passive income is to invest in cryptocurrency. Please take note that investing in cryptocurrency is high risk, so do not put money that you feel you want to use soon. All right, people always say if you want to invest, first of all, do your research. And for me, I would just say invest in stable coins. We all know that there's an element of risk when you're doing high risk investments with cryptocurrency. So if you don't really understand it, please do your research. But crypto has definitely made a lot of millionaires. That is cryptocurrency. So you can also research and invest in cryptocurrency. It's as simple as when the market is down, you start to purchase. Okay, you buy the ones that you feel has potential and leave it until the thing increases. Or you can decide to follow up on buying altcoins or shit coins, and you don't know which one will happen. You don't know which one is going to skyrocket in the nearest future. So yeah, investing in crypto is one way you can make passive income. The seventh way you can make passive income is by starting a YouTube channel. And I know I've said this before, but the thing about YouTube channels is it depends. There are people who have started and their channel just skyrockets. When I mean, I said this in one of my other videos, there was someone I know who I started YouTube before her, but I guess she's unique. She's young, she's unique, she has her own thing going on, and currently she's on 100 and something thousand subscribers. So there are definitely people who have started a channel and it blew up crazily. Okay, so starting a YouTube channel is something you can do. The eighth way you can make passive income is to sell photographs. Yes, you can sell photographs. So if you're someone who is good with your phone, if you're good with editing, if you have a a keen eye for picturesque images, go ahead and take those images and list them online to sell. When I try to make what they call it now, like digital flyers for my business, I use apps like PixArt, and then I would put in the search tab, I'll put black girl with books or black girl with school bags, and it will give me a plethora of options. And when I check those options, there are some pictures I really like, and they will tell me I need to pay $1 or $2 for that particular picture. These are pictures that other people have taken because they know people might need to use them. So other people have taken these pictures and have listed on the app, and for you to have access to those pictures, you definitely have to part with some money. So this is something you can also do. Take certain pictures you feel people might need for something, I don't know, it could be anything, and list it on apps like PixArt and other websites where people scour the internet to look for pictures to download. So that could be a good way to earn passive income. All right, you just list it and then leave it. Anybody who buys, the money comes into your account. So good way to make passive income. The last way to make passive income, in my opinion, is to run Instagram sponsored ads. Now, sponsored ads could be that you're an influencer, people reach out to you to help market their products, and you do that on your own personal page, all right, and collect some sort of money. We know that this particular thing is a career for a lot of people out there. The Kardashians, that was what they were doing, and when they noticed that their influence could sell other people's products, they decided to come out with their own products, and they become the last girl, Kylie, she's now a billionaire, and Kim is right at her back. I don't know if Kim is a billionaire yet though, but but they knew that their influence could sell. So why not use your influence to help people sell products, or even use your influence to sell your own products, right? The thing is, why I like Instagram and Facebook is that they've given us a platform to be able to advertise our products and possibly make sales from those ads. So that is something you can research into and do. All right, I hope this video is informative and educative to you. If there is any other way you feel is a latest way to make passive income in 2022, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section. I really want to know, because a girl is trying to up her income. I want to live soft life. So a girl is trying to up her income. So let me know in the comment section what is a way you are making passive income. All right, and very soon I'll still definitely be rolling out more content. All right, rolling out more content that are definitely educative, and for me it is how to level up in 2022 and beyond. So that is what my channel is going to be. I'm going to be rolling out such content, and I hope you guys like this series that I've started. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe is free, and give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me know that you enjoy such content. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next one. Bye.